What's up guys, it's your boy, Mad Mike. I know it's been a couple of weeks since I've been wrenching on the Pontiac Fiero Ferrari kit car, so to all my subscribers who subscribe to me just for my car content, let's go outside, have a quick look at the car, and I'll give you guys a quick update on where I'm at with the project. Ew. Alrighty then, let's head outside, grab the keys, pull the car out of the carport, and I'll give you guys a quick update. First things first, get some shoes on. Grab the Ferrari keys, yep, and let's go pull the car out. Alright guys, let's give you guys a quick update on the project car. So, for those of you that follow me and have been watching the progress on this car, right now we've got the car running and driving. All the bodywork's been done, except for one crack on the rear quarter panel. So that's pretty much the last of the bodywork that I have to complete before paint. So, as you can see right here, there's a big crack in this quarter panel here. And what caused that is there's some expanding foam underneath here, and when this car was sitting out in the rain, I guess some water got behind and made that foam expand, causing this whole quarter panel to crack. So I pretty much just got to take the wheel off, remove all the inner fenders, get all that foam out of there, and then I'll fiberglass the backside, body filler the front, and that's going to be the last of the bodywork. So looking on this side here, all these side skirts have been patched up and repaired. So that's all done. The entire car's been sanded already, so that's good. The front splitter was one of my big issues. I was missing this whole scoop that it was all cracked completely away. So I went ahead and refiberglassed that in, got the bodywork all done on that. So that's looking really slick. Front end's done. Moving along this side here, I had a huge crack over here. That's now repaired. I primered it up, did some spot putty on the fine little pinholes that I had, so that's all good to go. This side skirt down here as well is all complete. I had a bunch of cracks up here, some chipping out back, but that's all taken care of. The body lines are looking really good. Sorry about all the noise, by the way. It's rush hour and I live beside a highway, and I got a neighbor who's doing a bunch of grinding. But nonetheless, this is just a quick update on the car for all my subscribers that want to see the Ferrari kit car progress. So anyways, moving around here, all the scoops are looking good, body lines are looking good. The rear deck lids is sitting on here right now, so that'll all line up perfectly once it's remounted. Looking at the back end of the car here, I cut away the let's zoom in here. I cut away this lower portion, and if you watch one of my older vids, I showed you guys how to do a rear diffuser. So where that is at right now is I got some steel ordered. So I got my template made. I just got to go ahead and transfer my template over to my steel, cut it out, weld it, and then bolt it on. So that's going to be going on probably after the car is painted. So the rear bumper has been all repaired. Any cracks on the back end, looking good. So like I said, pretty much just this one rear quarter panel is the last bit of body work to do, and we're ready for paint after that, guys. Sorry it's taking so long to give you guys an update, but I've been busy working on some other stuff. If you've been following my channel and watching the other videos, I've been out dirt biking, doing some motivational stuff, and telling you guys kind of what I've been working on as far as, you know, documenting my life. But yeah, this is a quick update on the Ferrari kit car project. I hope you guys are enjoying this build. We'll get back to it very soon. I'm just not filming too much of it because the whole sanding process is super boring, and I've already showed you guys enough of me sanding the car, so pretty much the next time you guys see this car, it'll be in the spray booth, getting primer, and then getting paint. So yeah, leave some comments down below if you have any questions regarding the Ferrari Fiero kit car. Let me know if there's any colors you want to see on the car. I'm thinking of going red, maybe white or black, but I'm thinking red, so comment below, let me know what you guys think. It's coming together though, guys. Remember, this is probably like 6 months ago that I pulled this car out of the weeds, and now it's running and driving. It's about to go into paint, so I'm pretty excited about that. Let's have a quick look at the interior. So in some of my past videos, I showed you what I was getting up to in here. So basically, center console and all that's been ripped out. Carpet's gonna get ripped out and shampooed and cleaned. All the dash and everything's gonna get resprayed black. I got a new steering wheel, steering column, Momo wheel on there. Shifter, I'm gonna be making a shift gate for it. And these seats are just temporary for when I'm doing the body work on the car. I got 2 red seats for it. Actually, let's go and show you guys those 2 red seats that I have for it, in case you haven't seen that episode of me test fitting the red seats. Bam, there they are. Check that out. So those are the 2 seats, guys. Kind of Recaro style, super nice. A little bit of glue up here from, they were mounted in a BMW M3 before, but these are gonna look killer inside the car. So anyways, yeah, that's a quick little update on the Ferrari project car. I hope you guys are enjoying the build. Sorry I haven't been posting too much, but like I said, I've just been sanding the car and it's been really boring. I don't want to show you guys that. And also, I'm filming with a Canon G7X, and the lens is horrible. All the dust just falls right into it, and I don't want to waste a $1,000 camera. So the next time you guys see that kit car, most likely it's going to be in the spray booth, getting ready for primer and paint. As you can see behind me here, I'm sitting in my podcast studio that I just recently finished. So I'm getting ready to fire up a little bit of a podcast regarding mindset, extreme sports, and just my life, as well as on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be doing more adventure content and just more documentation of what I'm doing in my life. You know, I've got big goals, guys. I've got really big goals. And if you see my last video about, you know, I'm gonna make $30 million, that's just a goal I have, but I'm gonna show you kind of what steps, what entrepreneurial things I'm doing to try to get there. And if you guys are at all interested in any of that kind of content, make sure to stay tuned, because I'm gonna be telling you exactly what I'm doing. I'm signing up for courses. I'll let you know if these courses are good and if you can make a lot of money off them. It's mostly online digital sales stuff, affiliate marketing. So stay tuned for that. I'll give you guys more insight on that. I hope you guys are enjoying my YouTube channel and the growth of it and where it's going. You know, if you guys just like the car stuff, I'm sorry, but this channel is based on my life. So I'm gonna be posting kind of adventure content, documenting my life, working on cars, working on dirt bikes, you name it. So I hope you stay tuned. Click the bell to be notified, hit the like button, and leave a comment below. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these vlogs. Love you guys. Take it easy. Ciao, ciao.